I heard you've taken up gardening, Jen. How's that going? Oh, it's wonderful. I seem to have green fingers. Everything I plant just thrives. That's great, Jen. Speaking of thriving, Lucy, didn't you attend that award ceremony last week? Yes, they really rolled out the red carpet for us. It felt quite glamorous. I wish I could say my week was as glamorous. My startup got quite the black eye in the press after our product clutch. Oh, that's tough. But at least you're honest about it. Some would just tell white lies to smooth things over. Speaking of honesty, how's that old car you bought at the auction, Sam? Still a white elephant? Absolutely. It's costing me a fortune in repairs. I should have seen it as a warning when the price seemed like a golden opportunity. You might want to avoid those black market spare parts you've been eyeing. They could be more trouble than they're worth. Alex has a point, Sam. By the way, how's our cousin Nora doing? I heard she moved to the city. Well, she's sort of become the black sheep of the family now, living so differently from the rest of us, but she seems happy. Maybe being the black sheep isn't so bad if it means being true to yourself. We all have our past.